The purpose of this video is to show how easy it is to create an account and use this product called IRS Free File Program delivered by TurboTax. Once you click I qualify, you will come to the Create Your Account page. I'm going to walk you through this part and get you into the program, and I will stop right before we enter any financial information. During the first steps, you will have to enter your email address, a user ID, a phone number where you can receive a text message so that you can log back in to check your return status, and you will create your own password. I have already done this for our fictional taxpayer, so you can see what it looks like. You will see you enter your email twice and your user ID. We highly recommend that you use your email as your user ID, but it can be whatever you want. You will enter your cell phone number where you can receive a text message with a security code. If that is not an option, you can unclick this box, but having the code sent to you is an extra layer of security if you can include it. Then you will create a password with 8 digits, uppercase and lowercase letters, a number, and an additional character. Once you click Create an Account, you will be taken into the tax software itself. Please make sure you write down all of this login information carefully, because you will need to log back into the product in order to complete or check your return. Now you are in the TurboTax product, and I want to point out a few things. First, along the left-hand column, you see the menu bar that lists the different steps in the process that you will follow. You will enter your personal information like name, address, and others that may be on your return. Then you will enter information for your federal return, like your W-2, and the data will transfer over to your state return before a review, and then you will file. At the top is the refund monitor. You will see the amount of your federal refund and your state refund, or the amount you owe. This amount is not final until you have entered all of your information, so do not worry if it goes up or down as you are entering information. Down in the bottom right is the Continue button. That is where that button is always going to be. So as you go from one screen to the next, if you don't see this button, just scroll down so that you can see it. It will always be there to take you to the next page. You can also go back by clicking on the back button or jumping to a previous section by using the side menu to navigate back to that area. And then last, I want to show you all the ways you can get help from the software while doing your return. If you see a blue underlined word, that is a link you can click on to get more information. If that is not enough information and you still have questions, you can click on this search icon, the magnifying glass at the very top. By clicking there, you will be brought to the help page where you see the 1-800 number that you can call to ask for help. We are here to help you with your IRS Free File Program delivered by TurboTax. One more way to get help is to click on the words Tax Tools in the left column. There you will see a few options to get help. If you click on Topic Search, you will be brought to this screen where you can either type in what you need help with or scroll down to find the topic you need. Now let's see how easy it is to enter your information. You will enter information about yourself, your name, date of birth, social security number, your occupation, and then answer a few additional questions that will help TurboTax determine the filing status you qualify for, as well as which state returns to complete. I have entered information for our fictional taxpayer. In addition to answering questions about your marital status, it will ask about how many children or other people that you support. You will then enter information about those people so that information can be a part of your return. All of these questions you have been answering have been leading us to this screen where you can see what your filing status is. There are other options besides head of household, but our fictional taxpayer is head of household for his case. At the end of the My Info section, you will see a summary of all of the personal information you have entered. You have the opportunity to check your entries or make edits. Make sure everything is correct before you pass to the next page. And this is where you will actually begin entering your wages and income information, and then your deductions and credits, any other tax situation questions before the federal review of your return. Once your federal return is complete, the data will be copied into your state return. Any additional state-specific questions will be asked before an overall review of your return before you file. I hope this video has shown you that you have the skills to do your taxes on your own. Go to irs.gov/freefile and select TurboTax and get started today. Remember, there's help if you need it once you get started. I know you're going to have a great experience.